when you're spending every day on your own. And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me tonight. And maybe when the night is dead, I'll crawl into my bed. I'm staring at these four walls again. I'll try to think about the last time I had a good time. Everyone's got somewhere to go, and they're gonna leave me here on my own. And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me. What the hell is wrong with me? Don't fit in with anybody. How did this happen to me? Wide awake, I'm bored and I can't fall asleep. And every night is the worst night ever. I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. Yeah, I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is. Nobody wants to be alone in the world. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is. Nobody wants to be alone in the world. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me tonight. I'm all alone tonight. Nobody cares tonight 'cause I'm just a kid tonight.
If you're searching for a fun and effective way to help kids and teens learn to play the drums, look no further than the Drums in Color Method and Drum Rudiment book. What makes the Drums in Color system stand out is its use of colored notation to teach timing, rests, and tempo, which helps students understand and memorize drum patterns more easily than traditional music notes. The color-coded system not only simplifies learning but also keeps kids interested and excited about progressing. Whether you're using an acoustic or electronic drum set, the Drums in Color system provides rings that fit both, transforming the learning experience. Students can immediately apply what they learn in lessons by reading the colorful notation and using the rings to guide their practice. The Drums in Color Method book also comes with something special. Every page includes a QR code that links directly to an online tutorial. These video tutorials walk students through each exercise step by step, making it feel like they have a personal instructor available at all times. Simply scan the code with your phone and you'll get instant access to helpful guidance. From personalized tutorials to a system that makes learning fun and interactive, it's a surefire way to help young drummers succeed. Check out the Drums in Color tutorials and get started with this amazing system now.